Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at how you can go about bringing a compensation claim for a burn injury. Not only that, but I'll also be going over how you can strengthen your claim. If you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Recent statistics show that well over 250,000 people suffer from burn injuries each year in the UK alone, with around 13,000 of those being admitted to hospital due to the severity of their injuries. Burn injuries can happen for numerous reasons, and while some are pure accidents, others are the result of another person's negligence and could have been avoided had proper care been taken. If you've been the victim of a burn, whether at work, in a public place such as a restaurant, or even at home, you may be entitled to compensation. In order to begin the process of bringing a claim for a burn injury, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist in order to see what your options are. Here at legalexpert.co.uk, we offer a completely free, no obligation consultation where we'll talk through your accident with you in order to help you establish whether or not you have a valid claim. You can contact us on our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us at any time. If we believe that you have a case with merits, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that you'll have zero upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, I'm going to go over a couple of the things that we recommend you do to help strengthen your claim. One of the first things you should do is have your burn seen to by a medical professional. They'll advise you on how best to begin your recovery in terms of treatment, but having this assessment will also mean that there's documented evidence of your burns on file. So make a note of when and where this assessment took place, as having this information to hand will make it much easier when tracking down these records in support of your case. If your burn injuries were sustained at work or in a shop or restaurant, ensure an accident report is completed by a member of staff and ask them to check this over to ensure that no vital details have been left out. Also ask staff to ensure that CCTV from the incident is kept. Make a note of who you've spoken to and who was the manager on duty. Take as many pictures as possible, including photographs of the accident area, along with your injuries and what it was that caused the accident. Keep track of any expenses that you've incurred as a result of your accident. This can include any travel expenses, any care costs, any loss of income from time off work or potential future earnings, and any medical or treatment costs. Now, once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find useful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.